Exponents. Exponents mean repeated multiplication. Example 1. Solve for 3/4 raised to the second power. So, like we've done before, we're just going to take this 3/4 and then we're going to then put 2 of them, and what this is showing us is that we have a base number of 3/4 and we have 2 of them, and we're going to multiply them together. So we have 3/4 times 3/4, which is equal to, and how we do this is we multiply the top 2 numbers together and we multiply the bottom 2 numbers together. So we get 3 times 3, which is 9, and 4 times 4, which is 16. And that would be our solution to this problem. So let's go look at another example. So part of future problems will be to solve for the force on the wheel, front wheel caliper piston. Will be to find the area of the front wheel caliper piston. If the front wheel caliper piston has a radius of 1.6 centimeters, then solve 8/5, which is 1/6 rate, as an improper fraction raised to the second power. So this is one of the first steps to find the area of the piston. So we have 8/5, which is our base number, and we have 2 of them. So we're going to go ahead and multiply it by another 8/5, as we have 2. So now we have 8 times 8 and 5 times 5. So 8 times 8 is 64, and 5 times 5 is 25. And this would be the solution to this problem. So let's do one final example. Example 3. If the exponent is on the outside of the parentheses, we can write the exponent on the numerator and the denominator. So for the following, we would write solve -2/3 raised to the third power. So we have -2/3, and then we would put it with a 3 there and a 3 there. But for this example, instead, we're just going to rewrite this 3 times. So we have -2/3 times -2/3 times -2/3. So what this means then is we have to multiply the 2's together, and then we'll multiply the 3's together. And we notice that we have a negative sign, and we have 3 of them. So an odd number being multiplied of negative signs means the solution will also be negative. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. And then we have 3 times 3, which is 9, times 3, which is 27. And this would be our solution to this problem.